Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best concrete crack fillers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Bucksuna Concrete Crack Filler, a heavy-duty caulking adhesive designed for professionals and homeowners alike. This product stands out for its exceptional resistance to water, oil, and extreme temperatures, which ensures durability across a wide range of environments. Whether you're dealing with driveway cracks, sidewalk gaps, or patio imperfections, this filler promises a long-lasting seal that resists peeling and cracking, even under harsh conditions. It's also UV-resistant, making it ideal for outdoor use. The 3-pack design offers more coverage, making it a great value for larger projects. In terms of design, the Bucksuna Concrete Crack Filler comes with a convenient caulking nozzle, which simplifies the application process. The quick-drying formula hardens in as little as 2 hours and fully cures in 48 hours, meaning you can get back to using your repaired surfaces in just a couple of days. The product is compatible with various concrete surfaces, including pool decks, driveways, and patios, making it versatile for different repair needs. However, it doesn't specify its compatibility with paints, which might be a limitation for users looking to match their repairs with existing aesthetics. The main downside here is its price, which isn't readily available and could be a concern for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, while the performance is solid, the lack of detailed technical specifications might make it harder for users to compare it to other products in the lineup. Ultimately, if you're looking for a reliable and weather-resistant crack filler for outdoor applications, the Bucksuna is worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the DAP Concrete and Mortar Filler and Sealant, a versatile option for both interior and exterior concrete repairs. This product excels in providing a weather-tight seal that remains flexible over time, preventing water and ice damage that can lead to further cracking. Its formula is gas, oil, and salt resistant, making it ideal for driveways, garages, and other high-traffic areas. What sets this product apart is its easy-to-use design. It requires no mixing and cleans up easily with soap and water before curing. Plus, it can be painted with latex or oil-based paints for a seamless finish. As for performance, the DAP Concrete and Mortar Filler boasts a quick return-to-service time of just 24 hours, allowing you to get back to normal use relatively quickly. The low-odor formulation ensures it's comfortable to work with, even in enclosed spaces. This sealant is packaged in a 10.1-ounce tube, making it compatible with standard caulking guns for precise application. However, it's worth noting that its maximum gap fill capacity isn't specified, which might limit its suitability for larger cracks or gaps. On the downside, the lack of price information could deter budget-conscious buyers, and while its quick return-to-service time is impressive, it still takes a full 24 hours to cure completely. Overall, this product is a solid choice for users who need a durable, paintable, and easy-to-apply solution for concrete repairs. Sliding into the number 2 spot is the Magic Crack Filler by Theros Distribution. This product is a dry, granular filler that offers a unique approach to crack repair. Unlike traditional liquid fillers, Magic Crack Filler is a no-mess solution that requires only water for activation. Simply dampen the area, apply the filler, and you're done. No mixing, no buckets, no hassle. Its versatility is a key selling point, as it can handle everything from hairline cracks to wider gaps, making it a great choice for driveways, walkways, and patios. The formula is designed to resist water intrusion, helping to maintain the look and integrity of your property over time. The design of the Magic Crack Filler is refreshingly simple, making it perfect for DIYers who might be intimidated by more complex repair products. Its Made in USA label adds a layer of trustworthiness, and the professional-grade results mean you don't have to sacrifice quality for ease of use. However, the lack of information on its curing time and compatibility with paints might leave some users wanting more details. Additionally, while the product excels in simplicity, it might not be the best option for users dealing with harsh weather conditions, as its durability against UV exposure and extreme temperatures isn't clearly defined. Overall, the Magic Crack Filler is a fantastic option for someone looking for a quick, easy, and clean solution for a variety of crack sizes. Its user-friendly design and professional finish make it a strong contender in this lineup. Taking the top spot is the DAP Concrete Crack Filler Gray 1.62-pound bag, a product that combines exceptional performance, ease of use, and affordability. With a price of just $11.98, this filler proves that you don't have to break the bank to achieve professional-grade results. Designed to repair horizontal cracks in concrete, stone, and masonry materials, it's suitable for cracks up to half-inch wide and deep. The ready-to-use formula eliminates the need for mixing, making it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. Simply prep the surface, fill the crack, and mist with water. Its water-activated dry powder does the rest. What truly sets this product apart is its durability. The DAP Concrete Crack Filler resists shrinkage, UV fading, and cracking, ensuring that your repairs stand the test of time. It's ready for light foot traffic in just 4 hours and can handle vehicle traffic within 48 hours, making it ideal for driveways and garage floors. Additionally, its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to handle and store, while its waterproof properties add an extra layer of protection against the elements. The only downside is its limited gap-filling capacity, which might not be suitable for larger cracks. However, for the majority of household repair needs, this product excels in both performance and ease of use. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution that delivers reliable, long-lasting results, the DAP Concrete Crack Filler is your best bet. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.